Hey, I run a survey. I actually have a survey on to test your team's skills, and it's open, and I don't check it very often. And I have 501 responses, and the average score is 7.4 out of 20, so which is not good. And I wanted to see if Copilot can help me to analyze the results. So the first, the forms give you good results, but I want to go further. And so what I did is I download the copy and now I'm going to put it in my environment where I can test it with Copilot. So let's go into, where is it? Into my document. So it's not here. Let's find my folder where I downloaded here. So that's my file and I want to put it in my demo tenant. So I'm going to take the file here, put it in my demo tenant, and see how Copilot can help me. So let's imagine I want a simple thing. I just want to see a graph of the average results per month. So that's not easy because people didn't answer the quiz at the same time. So there might be some months where there's no answers, and I really don't know how to do it in Excel. So I'm gonna ask Copilot to do it to see if it can help me with disjointed um, data. So let's see if we can ask help me graph the average of total points per month. So what's important when you're prompting is to name the column because they can be confusing here. There's other points here, so because it's points by question, so I just want to be sure that I name correctly the column so you can find the column easily. And so apparently it does something. So let's add it to a new sheet and let's see what it does. So actually, it does a very good job. It gives me, and you see September, October, November, January, February, June, July, August, December, and February of three different disjointed years and disjointed month. As you can see, people were active in September, October, November. Then some people came back in January, February. Then they came back on June, July, August. Then they came back on December, and then in February. So I don't know why people are, how they found my survey, but that's how it works. It's a public survey. And so that's what it did. It did the average here. So maybe I can take a look and I can see, here that the value is average point. That's what I don't know how to do. And so apparently I have to go to value fields and there's an average here. So maybe I learned something from Copilot too. Hope this was insightful.